Subliminal TV.
So I'm back on the Bentley. The front bumper is painted. Well, not the front bumper, the rear bumper is painted. None of the other parts are painted. Here's the thing, I had the paint mixed a long time ago and I can't remember if the code was, if we mixed the paint off the code or if the car was scanned. So, I know I'm a little bit late in the game, but what I'm gonna do is take the original bumper, since I have the original bumper off the car now, the rear one. I'm gonna take this to the paint shop to the guy who's painting it. I'm actually gonna go ahead and pick up the rear bumper that's already painted. And we're gonna scan this bumper so that the rest of the cars, as they begin to get painted, we know we have the perfect match. That's what I'm doing right now. I thought it'd be a little bit faster with the Bentley process, but it's a little bit slow. Not because of me, just so you guys know, but the guy got a little busy on other things. Well, anyway, let's see how it all goes.
The rear bumper was the same way.
If you ask me, the color match is gonna be fine. It's dusty, of course, because it's been sitting in the paint shop. It's got to be cleaned up, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this bumper on the car, not today, but soon. And we will confirm that that color matches, but I think that it's pretty close. It's pretty good. I think it's good. We're gonna be good. But today he did scan this one and got the exact code that he's gonna need for the rest of the parts. And so that is gonna be done, and we're gonna be on our way back working on the Bentley. I got a little distracted with the Maserati because when I first started working on a Bentley transformation, the Maserati hadn't even popped up yet. I didn't even know I was gonna have the Maserati. It came in the middle of this deal, and then I started focusing on the wheels for that, other things. So yeah, we're back on the Bentley. Another thing to make note of real quick is, as you can see here, it had the corner lamps. I don't like that. This had that. I eliminated that. Bam, bam, no more. Also, the chrome trim pieces here, we are going to black out all of that. These will be tinted. This one is cracked, so I took the good ones out of the good bumper, and we're gonna tint those like this. So that's about the gist of it. Catch up with me next week to see all about how I actually ended up having to pick up the parts to go to the next paint shop because this guy was just too busy. He does great work. He finished the rear bumper, but I'm really ready to get this Bentley on the road. It's been down for a while, so holler at me next week. Subscribe if you haven't. This would be a perfect time so that you can catch the next segment of the Bentley progress. We're gonna move the parts over. We're gonna do the headlights. A lot of things are coming up. We're gonna lower it. We're gonna do the exhaust. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Subliminal TV.